Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City checking into the Hard Rock today. Haven't stayed here in a couple of months, so I'm going to check out a room here. I'm not sure if I'm in the South Tower or North Tower. I told them to give me whatever the best available was, so I'm going to check in and take you guys along with me and give you a little room tour. Let's check it out, shall we? This large atrium with the see-through stairs and that huge chandelier, which is a LED guitar, and that wraparound video screen, pretty much the focal point of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Atlantic City. The circular lobby bar has poker machines and there's pretty much live music here every evening. Here's the VIP check-in. Of course, I'll be walking past those doors and getting on the not as important as you think line. Okay, so I'm in the South Tower, room 3211. I guess that's the 32nd floor. They're pretty honest about the floors here at Hard Rock. And I noticed in the little envelope that holds the room keys that there's a website, music.hardrockhotels.com. They have actually rock and roll playlists that you can listen to, according to that envelope. Hey everybody, look, it's me, Jeff from New York. Hello? Hello? Anyone recognize me? Oh well. 32 red. This place always smells like rug shampoo, and don't get me wrong, it's a good smell. Hello, Atlantic City, it's me! You know, Jeff from New York. Hello? Whoa, it's Cher. I love a good cup of coffee, but in the morning I'll drink anything that's available, and I didn't notice, but if you look, the basket that holds the coffee is actually missing from this coffee maker, rendering this whole setup useless. I didn't discover that until first thing in the morning. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. There are a couple key differences between the South Tower and the North Tower. I'll go over them with you right now. The North Tower has full-length windows, floor to ceiling. The South Tower, the room that we're in now, does not. The South Tower has a sofa. The North Tower does not. The South Tower typically has only one sink. The North Tower has two. The South Tower is located right off the casino floor. The North Tower, however, is located somewhere near the border of upstate New York. I'm just kidding, but it's a hike. Lots of hotels have a decorative pillow just like this one at the Hard Rock, and I'm going to assume that housekeeping doesn't switch out the covers like they do on the regular pillows. I strongly suggest you just pick it up carefully, put it on the floor, and leave it there. With regards to these decorative bed pillows, I'll keep my thoughts to myself, but go ahead, let your imagination run wild. Hard Rock still serving up real glassware in their rooms, and I really do appreciate that. I'll wash it before I use it, but I do appreciate it. See? South Tower, one sink. Personally, I don't care because I travel alone when I'm making these videos, but if I was with someone else, I would not want to fight over sink time. The room, by the way, is spotless. Housekeeping never let me down here at the Hard Rock, whether it's the North Tower, the South Tower, whatever tower. Housekeeping does a great job here at the Hard Rock. With the exception of that missing basket on my coffee maker, it ruined my morning. Hey, handsome. It doesn't open up, in case you were wondering. Hard Rock still has room service, and that's greatly appreciated. Many hotels in the country and around the world have discontinued that service. So it's not a floor-to-ceiling window, but we still have a good view nonetheless. We got the Showboat, we got Ocean Casino Resort, the Lighthouse, and Brigantine off in the distance. And the Hard Rock North Tower is towards our extreme right. Again, it's far, but not that far. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And that's it, guys. A tour of the South Tower here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, room number 3211. Of course, it's the South Tower. It's got that sofa. The North Tower, no sofa, but you got floor-to-ceiling windows. So it's up to you which one you like better. I think the North Tower also has nicer bathrooms. Personal opinion, if you ask me. But as always, the room's in perfect shape. It's clean. Looks pretty new. I know things around here aren't that new, but everything seems to look new, so that's good. And like I said, it's secure. Hard Rock used to just do a visual, like, look at your key when you got to the elevators. Now they actually have a thing that you have to scan, so it's become a little more secure, which is always nice. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the tour. Lots more coming from Atlantic City. Thanks for watching. See you soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.